What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be making jalapeno chicken with white rice. Let's get started. Now we're going to get our knife right here. I'm going to cut it in the middle. Let's just start cutting it. Little cubes. Put it into a bowl. We're going to keep cutting. We're going to cut both chicken into dice. There. I'm going to season it. I'm going to cut you guys off right now. I'll show you guys when we season it. So we're almost done cutting the chicken. Just dicing it up. Right now we're going to move on to the seasoning. We're going to season the chicken and turn on the pan to medium heat to let the pan warm up. You can see. I'm going to take this, put it in the trash. Now to season the chicken, we're going to use salt, garlic powder, lemon, black pepper, and lemon pepper. This one right here. Like that. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna use my hand. I don't have any gloves, so I'm just using my hand. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and then I'll catch you guys back on. So now that we seasoned our chicken, we're gonna come over here to the stove. We're gonna turn on our heat to medium heat. Let the pan get hot. Add a little bit of oil, but first we're gonna let the pan get hot. And then on this side, we're gonna grab this pan right here. Put it right here. Turn it on. As well, let it get warmed up, and we're gonna make white rice or chicken in here. So keep watching. Now that we have all that already, we're gonna get our vegetables right here. I don't know if you can see those. And we're gonna dice them up along with our onion. Now that we have washed them, we're gonna grab a napkin, dry them off. Go to the side. Gonna add oil to the pan. Well, let that get warmed up and heated up. Now we're gonna cut our vegetables. Before I do this, ready? 1, 2, and for the rice we're gonna use 1 cup and 2.5 of water. Here's the 2nd cup. And then you just add half. About this much water. Put it over here. And just put it on the low. You can turn it down a little. And there we go. So now that our pan is hot, we're gonna add the chicken to it. Put it to the side. And let that cook. Turn it up a little bit.
So for now we're gonna just cut our vegetables. Oh yes, I did wash the cutting board.
Look at how our chicken's getting that nice and brown color. Wow, look at that. That's good. We're almost done here. The next steps will be to make our sauce. Alright, for our sauce, we're gonna use 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of water, our garlic, and then we're gonna use 1 cup of sugar. Forgot to record, but 1 cup of sugar. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Mix it all together. So now that our chicken is nice and golden brown right here, we're gonna take it out, add our vegetables, our sauce. So now we're gonna take out our chicken. We're gonna put it into a little bowl. And grab a little rag, gonna take it up. Now that we added our chicken to a little bowl, we're gonna add our vegetables. These ones right here. And mix them up. We're gonna saute them. I think that's the word we use. Pull it up just a little higher. While those are frying, we're gonna take a little break and take a look at our sauce. You guys can only taste or smell through the camera, would be nice, right? Now look at this, beautiful. Now let's take a look at our rice. Look at that. It's not ready yet, but it's almost there. We're grilling our vegetables a little more. Now look at our sauce. Wow, it's bubbling. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. Now I'm gonna cover it up. Before I cover it up, look.